Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making sure your phone records location. Go to Settings and enable location with high accuracy and grant camera plus Google Maps permission. Once done, open Google Maps and search the address or long press the map to drop a pin where you want the photo tied. Make sure the pin is precise, zoom in, and adjust the marker. This ensures the map coordinates are exactly where the photo will be associated before you capture or upload any image. Next, either take the picture with your camera app, confirm location/geotagging is active so the photo embeds GPS coordinates, or attach an existing image to the map. If you shoot now, position near the dropped pin, tap to focus, and capture. If uploading, open the Google Maps place, choose Add a Photo, and pick the file or use the camera prompt. Make sure the photo's timestamp and geotag match the pin. Otherwise, you can manually select the correct. Finally, verify the link between photo and map. Check the image in Google Photos or in Google Maps under your contributions to confirm the location tag. If it's off, edit the place in Maps or reassign the photo to the correct pin manually. If you have trouble, try toggling location, switching to high accuracy, moving to an open area, or restarting the device. This usually fixes GPS drift. Make sure app permissions remain enabled so future photos keep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.